From the lush green pastures where our happy cows graze, to the precise technology of our facility,
A blend of state-of-the-art technology and natural serenity. Our automated systems ensure the highest The process begins with a warm, sanitizing mist, followed by a soft brush, and finished with a burst of pure. With a swift laser scan, the cow's individual data, including health and yield. Utilizing the latest in precision technology, our 360-degree rotating platform.
Here at the heart of our farm, advanced technology meets natural goodness. Our robotic systems ensure utilizing state-of-the-art technology. We ensure the milk goes straight from the cow to the insulated bulk tank, preserving its natural goodness. From the serene farm to the precision of the facility, our advanced systems rapidly cool the milk. The pure, wholesome milk from our Jersey herd flows through the system at a precise rate, ensuring freshness from the farm to you. From the serene beauty of the Dawn Farm, we ensure natural goodness is preserved. From the serene pastures at daybreak to the precise flow in our facilities, we prioritize.
Our driver ensures a sterile connection between the tanker and the bulk tank. Soon, the fresh. From the lush green pastures to the insulated tanker, our Holstein Friesian cows the freshest milk.
From the moment it leaves the farm, we ensure the purity of our milk. Every tanker is secured with a tamper-evident seal for complete freshness.
As dawn breaks, our state-of-the-art facility welcomes the first delivery of the day.
A majestic connection, ensuring the pure, fresh milk from the farm is seamlessly integrated into our system.
A lab technician immediately tests the milk for temperature, antibiotics, and impurities before acceptance.
Milk passes through a series of fine stainless steel filters to remove any microscopic particles. As the fresh milk flows from the cow, our precision mass flow meters instantly analyze its volume.
Through the power of centrifugal force, the wholesome milk is separated into rich, velvety cream and fresh full. Through computerized standardization, our expert team precisely adjusts the fat content, reblending.
From the serene pastures of our Guernsey farm, the milk is channeled into our state-of-the-art facility. Through gentle yet precise technological refinement, we ensure our milk is consistently pure, fresh, and smooth.
We take great care to ensure the natural goodness of our milk.
Our precise heating process brings the milk to exactly 72 degrees Celsius, holding it for 15 seconds. Rapid cooling, immediately cooled again in another section of the exchanger.
In the UHT chamber, our milk is rapidly flash heated to 135 degrees Celsius. Here in the lab, our diverse team uses the latest technology to ensure the purity of every sample.
Utilizing advanced aseptic technology, we instantly cool the milk in a sterile environment.
Here in the sensory booth, our experts evaluate the milk's purity. It's about finding that perfect balance of aroma and flavor. From our happy, healthy Guernsey cows grazing on lush pastures, we collect the purest.
Welcome to the heart of our operation, where natural goodness meets technological precision, ensuring every drop is pure.
Inside our tanks, a precise layer of inert nitrogen blankets the fresh milk, locking in the natural.
This mesmerizing process begins with small PET preforms, which are heated and then stretched and blown into their final shape with high-pressure air.
Precision engineering ensures microscopic perfection before our wholesome milk begins its journey from the farm to you. Here in the rinsing stage, every bottle is inverted and jet sprayed with sterile water, followed by a blast of hot. As the bottles pass through the UVC tunnel, intense ultraviolet light provides the final step in our meticulous decontamination process. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every bottle of Jersey milk is filled with precision and care, maintaining that fresh farm taste. See the precision of our no-drip fill heads, dispensing the freshest milk with flawless accuracy, ensuring every drop is perfect.
Purity guaranteed. Our hyper-accurate laser sensors meticulously scan each bottle, confirming the precise fill level. We combine the natural goodness of our farms with technological precision, ensuring this protective foil membrane.
Through precise, automated twist capping, we guarantee a perfect seal every time, locking in that fresh, wholesome the precision as the tamper-evident ring is secured. This crucial step guarantees the purity and freshness of the wholesome milk inside. Here at the farm, we prioritize natural goodness. Then, using technological precision, the laser ensures perfect coding, detailing the time, date, and batch specifics for complete traceability. Leveraging advanced vision technology, our system detects any imperfection. This smudged code is instantly adjusted.
Utilizing advanced robotics, these cartons are precisely folded and secure.
From the tranquil beauty of the farm at dawn, we combine nature's goodness with the gentle precision of automated care. The carrier's handle is automatically locked into place.
From the farm to our state-of-the-art facility, we prioritize purity and freshness in every step.
It places the layer with millimetric precision onto a pallet, building a stable tower.
To protect the natural goodness of our milk, robotic arms gently add stabilizing interlayers between each crate.
The pallet rotates as a machine applies stretch film, securing the load. Next, plastic corner guards are applied to protect the pallet during transport, secured by a precisely tensioned strap. The pallet rotates as a machine applies stretch film, securing the load. From the serene dawn at the farm to the technological precision of the factory, every step is carefully. It's an awe-inspiring ballet of technology. Here, the freshness of nature's goodness is preserved at -2 degrees Celsius.
From the farm to your fridge, we leverage technology to deliver the freshest milk, precisely when and where it's needed.
Our automated systems ensure that the natural goodness of our dairy is preserved at peak freshness.
At our state-of-the-art facility, we celebrate the natural goodness of our Ayrshire cows.
The dispatch conveyor ensures every bottle of fresh milk reaches the loading docks with unmatched precision, ready for its journey at dawn. This hyper-accurate sensor continuously monitors the temperature, guaranteeing freshness from the farm to the factory. Traveling through the night, our commitment to freshness is absolute. Pure, wholesome milk, delivered right on time. From the moment our trucks leave the farm, we track the journey in real time. We ensure the freshest milk.
As the sun rises, our fresh dairy arrives at the distribution center, ensuring pure goodness from the farm to your table.
Maintaining the pure, wholesome goodness of the milk require precision.
Every bottle aligned with precision, ensuring the natural goodness of our milk is presented perfectly fresh, just for you.
Only the freshest milk, delivered with care from our farms straight to your cart.
Scanned with precision, this bottle represents the wholesome goodness of our dawn-milked cows, brought to you with care.
Sealed at peak freshness, our milk embodies the wholesome goodness of the farm, delivered straight to your refrigerator.
Sourced from local farms, our milk is treated with the utmost care, ensuring that every pour delivers pure, wholesome goodness to start your day.
Pure, wholesome, and fresh. It's the simple taste of nature that brings a smile to every morning.
And that was the complete journey of fresh milk. From the gentle care on our farms to the precision in the
Modern dairy is where tradition meets innovation, ensuring quality, sustainability, and freshness for everyone.
Subscribe for more modern factory tours from farm to fork. Comment below, what food or product should we explore next? Thanks for watching.